So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Ako po si Abraham Piasoy from BSA 1A, and today I'm gonna teach you why Excel is essential in accounting. So, whether you're managing a small business or working as an accountant in a large firm, Microsoft Excel is one tool you can't live without. In this video, we'll show you why Excel is so powerful for accounting. Even when you're just using basics like the plus, minus, divide, sum, or average function. So let's dive in. So Excel is often underestimated because it looks simple, but behind that grid is a powerful calculator. Let's start with the basics. So here, this is the budgeted income statement. The functions that we are using are quite simple. Ang ginagamit po natin dito usually and generally is the minus function. Bakit po minus? Kasi dito po sa sales, para makuha po yung gross profit, ang mina-minus po is the sales minus cost of goods sold para makuha po yung gross profit. Tapos dito naman po sa selling expense, may na-minus po sa gross profit para makuha yung net income. Dito po, mabilis siya, accurate, and nag-update po siya automatically pag nag-iiba kayo ng numbers. For example, dito po, imbis po na 15 million is 60 million. 600,000, sorry. So, yan. Nag-update siya kagad. So, balik po natin. Sa Excel naman po, nagkakaroon rin po ng functions na para mas dumali po yung mga calculations. So, example po nito is yung sum and average. Example po dito sa balance sheet, budgeted balance sheet. Sa total current assets, ang pinabase po natin dito is yung sum of all assets. So, dito po. So, ang gagawin nyo po dito is sum, open parenthesis, tapos select nyo po yung columns na gusto nyo is i-sum. Tapos enter po. Yan. Dito rin po sa total assets. Pero dito po plus para makuha mo po yung total assets. Dito rin po sa total liabilities and equity. So another side function is the average. Kunyari po, gusto nyo makita yung average po na cash nyo per quarter. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po dito is equals average, open parenthesis, tapos select nyo po yung column na gusto nyo average. So, yun po. Pero hindi po to applicable sa balance sheet. Example lang po. So, one of Excel's most powerful features is how multiple sheets can work together. Let's say you're creating different financial statements each on its own sheet. So dito po examples niya is yung schedules, income statement, statement of changes in equity, balance sheet, statement of cash flows. Ayan po. So dito po sa income statement pa lang po makikita nyo na po yung interconnectivity niya. So dito po sa sales, manggagaling po siya sa schedules from sales in dollars. So, B5 po. Yan. Makita nyo po dito. Tapos dito naman sa cost of goods sold po is makukuha nyo siya sa sales in units times yung selling price. Ay, cost price pala. Sorry. Dito po makuha nyo rin po sa schedules. So, from the income statement po, pwede nyo po kayo pumunta sa statement of changes in equity. Makikita nyo po yung net income nandito po sa kabila. Capital po. Ito po yung beginning balance. Total less dividends. Ito po yung times function. Meron po dito. So, yan po. So, lahat po yan is interconnected. Ano po dito, dito. Galing po sa schedules, 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 schedules. Ito po, statement of cash flows. Yan po, dito po. So, lahat po yan, pag iniba nyo po yung isang value ng isa, nari po dito sa sales in units, nari po ang ginawa natin sa sales in units is 120,000. Makikita nyo po ang sales maging 18,000. Tapos lahat po mag-iiba dyan ng values po. Balik po natin sa 100,000. So, that is all po. These features can be used on the real world po. So, from budgeting and forecasting to expense tracking and audit prep, Excel is a must-have. Even basic users can build reliable systems that are easy to scale and adapt. The more you master, the more time you save, and the fewer mistakes you make. So, learning Excel isn't optional. It's essential. Starts with the basics, yung tinuro ko po sa inyo, then explore how sheets connect. The sooner you start, the more you unlock. So, yun lang po. Dito po nagko-conclude ang ating why Excel is essential in accounting. At sa muli po, ako po si Abraham Piasoy, signing out. 街头的风吹乱我的发梢，思绪却在这片